Hey, Carl and Barry. My name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video, I'm just going to go over a brief overview of some search engine optimization and website auditing. So first things first, let's just dive right into it. I can see that whoever did your website, either it be you or hiring somebody, that they didn't do something correctly. I can see all of your HTML coding. None of it is coming across how you would probably want it to be read. I'm assuming, based on looking at the code, that this was at one point reviews, but basically just none of it turned out how you need it. So it just kind of looks crazy. And in fact, it's actually flagging as a harmful website. Also, we can see here it's not secure, so it's just simply getting your SSL or your security state license to make sure your website is secure. That all being said, we're just going to kind of look at what you would want. So first things first, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on a home page. Reason being is Google's algorithms, when searching, it keeps blocking it. So I'm going to get off of your site, even though I'm sure it's not actually harmful. But Google released it. They want to see 1,500 words because basically their algorithms, when climbing the pages, want to look for that information, and that's kind of one of their minimum requirements is 1,500 words. So that's the first thing you can do. Second, and what I want to talk about, is keywords. So what I wanted to do first is this. Typing in to Google, anything in this search bar is technically called a keyword, whether it be a single word or a full phrase such as carpet cleaning Phoenix. And when I did, your number one competitor is this done your way carpet cleaning right here. And now we can see their website is pretty simple to build. It's pretty aesthetically pleasing, but it's not a hard website to build. But what we want to look more in depthly is their search engine optimization, and specifically, like I said, keywords right now will be the first thing we talk about. Now looking, they're being found by Google or indexed for over 4.3 thousand words. Now we can actually look at the words they're being found for. So we can see right here they're being found for carpet cleaning Phoenix, Mesa, Arizona, carpet cleaning Mesa, Arizona, carpet cleaning Tucson, so on and so forth, for 4,300 words. But what I want to actually look at specifically is the volume. Now this volume is broken down by the keyword searches per month. So we can see that this exact phrase was searched 1.3 thousand times this month, and this was actually evaluated 6 days ago, so you know it's pretty recent. So you're looking at over 1,000 people searching for this phrase. Now Google released additionally their click rates, which is how many times sites are clicked, and the findings were that over 80% of people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So you can just think that over 800 people, closer to 900 people, won't even scroll past the first page and click on it. And if you're not on the first page, you're missing out on all those potential customers. Now this is just one keyword. You can see it adds up to thousands and thousands of people that are seeing their website daily. Now the last thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. And what a backlink is it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, there's a power transfer. When that power transfers, that's what gives you this domain rating. The higher your domain rating, the higher you are in Google. Simple as that. It's almost like a popularity contest. They want to see that you have the most relevant sites pointing at you. But like I said, that keyword's relevant, so they have to be quality sites. The sites you want pointing at you or backlinking to you should be relevant to carpet cleaning or other home industry services. Furthermore, you want to make sure they're good, powerful sites and not some scammy website that's going to tank your website's rating. Now I did run yours, like I said, and we can see you have 152 backlinks, but your domain rating is 0.3. Now 152 is not a small number, but the reason is that it's so low could be that you have those spammy sites and they're not all high quality. So you would want to make sure to just try to focus on getting quality websites and backlinks. We can also see your keywords. So let's look deeper into what your keywords are. Arizona Carpet Care, with a search of 60, you're the number one, and Arizona Carpet Care AZ and Arizona spelled out, number one. But those are only getting 60 and 40 searches a month. And then just going back, we can also see that you're driving in roughly 69 clicks a month. They're driving in 8.3 thousand. So you can really see how it pays to focus on your search engine optimization. Now, in closing, we discussed 3 things. We discussed content, having 1,500 words on your homepage. We talked about keywords and how important it was to be ranking on those keywords so that you get the 80% of people that won't scroll past the first page. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about off-site SEO via backlinking and how you can get your domain rating higher and ultimately on the front page of Google, getting all those customers. Now, there's many more things involved with SEO and website ranking. So if you want to hear those and you want to get an exact detailed plan of what we could do for your website to get to the front page, just give me a call at 813-515-3488 or simply respond to this email. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.